Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of the two Ortlieb SEAT-PACK bags. This is the medium size and this is the large size. In terms of similarities, both bags use the same system for saddle attachment. They both have an air bleed valve to help with the packing, and they are made from the same material. In terms of differences, if you look at the seat post attachment system, the medium bag has only one Velcro strap and it requires 6 centimeters of seat post or 2.5 inches, while the large bag has two Velcro straps requiring 15 centimeters of seat post or 6 inches. Also, the inside shell of the large bag is much bigger than the medium bag. On top of the large bag, we have this drawstring, which can be used for storing items that no longer fit in the bag, or something like a jacket which we need to have quick access to. Here's on the straps, we see that on the medium bag we have this Velcro strap, and on the large bag we have this plastic organizing system. If we flip the bags over, we see that we have the 3M reflectors on both bags, and we have more attachment slot options than here on the medium bag. If I were to make a recommendation, I would say go with the large bag, because it has as very nicely added bonus this drawstring, and it can be folded down to 8 liters, which is very similar to how much the small bag is when it's fully rolled. So if you found the comparison helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.